alam ko na, alam ko na. Parang nakanta ko na to, ate. Guys, kailangan na natin ng ano. Anong tawag dito? Oo nga, ate, na-request mo na to before. Nakalimutan ko lang title. Sige, kantahin natin. Stitches and... Yes, guys, subscribe na kayo, guys. Para ma-prioritize din natin ang inyong mga requests, guys. Subscribe na kayo sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe. Let's go! Road to 150 subscribers tayo. Thank you. Female. Thanks, Tachi. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Okay, game. Try lang, ate, ha. Hindi ko sure if nakanta ko na nga ba to before. Feeling ko first time. So, sensya na po agad if Chinese version. Nash, thank you! People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, adrift and cloud. With eyes open, I would choose not to see. Keep on tapping, guys, let's go! Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Wow, na all notch. Take good care of all those things that we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. Let's go! Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even, thank you, Robin. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Oh, di ko alam yung bridge. Sorry, ate. Nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but not you at all. Sorry, di ko alam. Leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Hey! Thank you po! Ma'am, good morning! Good morning, ma'am. Salamat po. Sana na-enjoy niya yan. That was for your ate, Bucho. Yay! Okay, here's our next song requested by Clau. Let's go, guys. We can do this. Guys, konti na lang. 200k taps na. Power taps nyo na yan, guys. Let's go. Annyeong. And send our life goals. Thank you so much. Let's Let's go, guys. Sana nandyan pa si Cloud. I look into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble on your mind, you're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It will be, thank you, Robin. Okay, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you called and said goodbye. Thank you so much, guys. You thought we lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I would feel the same. Mark, 'cause I will love you, Marcos pala, till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Ooh. Now I'm stronger than before. We've made it through. Thank you, me, love you. I have never felt more sure because of you. Dahil yun sa inyo. Ah? Hey now, are you listening? Can you hear me say, 'cause I will love you, thank you, Cloud, till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Thank you, everyone. Let's go. Keep on tapping, guys. Konti na lang, guys. Kaya natin to. 200K taps. We can do this. Hey. Believe in me. Oh, I'm here to stay, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away, away, away. I will love you till they take my heart away, away, away. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Thank you so much, Robin. Oh my God, thank you. Domo arigato. Alright, our next song request is from Rika. Thank you, Chloe. Sensya na, guys, medyo pagod na ang boses natin. Kaya thank you so much. Salamat, guys. Ay, ulit from the top. Thank you, everyone. Guys, last 15 minutes of our stream. I'll always remember it was late afternoon. We throw back. It lasted forever and ended so soon. You were all by yourself, staring up at a dark gray sky. I was changed in places no one will find. Are you feeling so deep inside? Deep. It was there that I realized that forever was in your eyes. The moment I saw you cry. Gusto niyo ako rin yung backup? The moment that I saw you cry. Thanks Camille, Abby, Tol, salamat. It was late in September. Thank you, me. Mwah. And I've seen you before. Thank you. You were always the cold one, but I was never that sure. You were all by yourself, staring up at a dark gray sky. I was changed. Let's go. In places no one will find. Are you feeling so deep inside? Deep inside. It was there that I realized that forever was in your eyes. The moment I saw you cry, I wanted to hold you, I wanted to make it go away. I wanted to know you, I wanted to make your everything alright. I just, I'll always remember. It was late afternoon in places no one will find. Baby, oh no, no, forever is in your eyes. Oh, ever was in your eyes. The moment I saw you cry, baby, cry. The moment that I saw you cry. Guys, 200k taps, let's go! Konti na lang. I think I saw you cry. The moment I saw you cry, I wanted to know you. Thank you so much, everyone. Hi, Zoe.
Not even if it's fun.
Thank you, guys. Yay, that was Cry by Mandy Moore. Sana nagustuhan niyo yan, guys. Down to our last two songs. Kasi 12:47 na, guys. We will end at 1 a.m. Thank you, me. Robin. Oh, wow, you have the second account. Hi, Robin, too. Robin, do you want me to sing your... do you have a song request for me? Please let me know if you do. Come, siguro next time try natin, ha? Kasi medyo pagod na si... Balikan natin yan, Cam, sa next request na. Hi, Rene! No request. Okay. Okay, so... I'll think of our good songs. Of good songs that we can sing. Hi, Ate Dimpo! Welcome po. Do you guys want something? Ito na lang. Wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang tong ganito. Thanks. Thank you, Toy. Konti na lang, guys. Sakto to sa last two songs natin. Maano na yan, ma-achieve na natin yung 200k taps. Thank you so much, everybody. Ito na lang. And then... Didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall.
Sorry, wait lang guys ha. Parang mali.
And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all.
Thank you, Beb! Thank you, Cam! Salamat, love,
You
love.
can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feels.
Guys, continue. Uy, pang ilan na tayo sa ano? Ay, sorry. Iba yung napindot ko. Daily number 29 tayo, guys. Tapos sa popular, wow, number 10 tayo, guys. Let's go. Thank you, Coach Sars. Wait, baka may last request pala. King, ikaw na mag-last request. Kahit ano lang. Huwag ka nang mag-send. Kahit walang send. Promise. O ako na ba mamimili? Mga favorites mo? Or kung meron kang maisip. Sinala muna ako. Pagod na. Guys, bukas. Pahinga muna tayo bukas. Kantahan na lang kita. Sige. Ito na nga lang.
So tell me how's it feel?
Para Tagalog.
Tell me how's it feel?
Alright. Thank you, everyone. Rad! Hello, Rad! Welcome to my stream. Alright. Thank you! Thank you so much, Rad! Thank you po! Mwah! Thank you! Salamat po! Thank you so much.
Ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. Kahit kailanman hindi magbabago. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwi na ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa.
It's okay. Mag-extend ako for you.
Di ko nais na mawalay ka. Thank you, King. Kahit sandali sa aking piling. Kahit buksan pang dibdib ko, matatagpo ay larawan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwi na thank you, Robin! Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Thank you, Rob! Thanks, Robin! Thank you, everyone! Thank you, King! Love, guys! Thank you! Kahit buksan pang dibdib ko, matatagpo ay larawan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwi na ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais, oh my gosh, ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso
song I know. Can I sing that for you? Are you not, tired of hearing that song? Oh my gosh, thank you, Robin! I wish I should learn more Japanese songs for you next time. Okay, but I'm gonna sing this. No more. I knew it. Okay, no more first love. Okay po. Hindi. Si Rad yata yung nagtatagalog. Rad! Ayan, Rad, mag-request ka naman, Rad. Guys, baka guys, you want to light up some of our gallery gifts, guys. You can light up Leon the Kitten or Future City or, any... Sa akin, sino to si Amel or Amel? Hello po! Ayan, ito na lang, guys. It's a Tagalog song. So, I don't know if you understand this. If you understand this, Robin, this is for you and our 147 viewers. Uy, gusto niyo to, guys. Guys, keep on tapping. Ay, 200k taps! Let's go! 250 daw. Charot!
Bakit ba ako'y laging ganito? Lagi akong di mo pinapansin. Para na lang akong lagi sumusunod sa gusto mo. Lagi kitang inaalala kahit di mo ako pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit ako'y di mo pinapansin, hindi ako nagagalit sa'yo, pagkat alam ko na ang iyong damdamin para sa'kin. Hindi mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang akong sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit ako'y di mo pinapansin, hindi ako magkagalit sa'yo, pagkat alam ko na ang iyong damdamin para sa'kin. Hindi mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang akong sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo. Honey, my love, so sweet. Leon the Kitten Cutie. Walang ibang mahal
requests ng ating mga top gifters. King, Ate Divina, Clau, Robin, Sammy, D, Summer, Rika, Marco, Shirley, or Tol. Kayo guys, kayong bahala. Maybe I can sing my last song na guys. Because, is that okay? I'll be singing my last song na guys. And then, pahinga muna tayo bukas guys. I'll rest tomorrow and then I'll stream again on... I think I'll have to rest tomorrow and on the 13th. But we shall see. But definitely sa 14 guys, ayan, medyo maghahanda. Ay, hindi pala, kailangan ko palang mag-live sa 13 guys kasi 15 na yung ano natin, 15 na yung... Or pwede naman sa 14. Ang gulo ah. Sana kaya ko pa. Sige guys, magla-live ako sa 14 na. Baka pahinga ako ng 12 and 13. Pero alam niyo naman ako minsan pabago-bago isip ko. So, we shall see. Ayan guys. I'll see you on my next live. I'll be singing my last song. I'm sorry guys. Kailangan nating mag-rest. It's 1 in the morning. Thank you everybody. Guys, thank you for helping me achieve top 8 in our campaign. I appreciate you all. King, maraming salamat, King! Thank you, Ate Divina! Thank you, Ate. Grabe, thank you sa help mo, Ate. Clau, thank you so much. Robin, thank you. Sammy, D, Summer, Rika, Marco, Shirley, Tol, Kimono, Jovi, Ate Dimple, Cams. Thank you everyone. Salamat sa mga nag-send ng live goals natin. Thank you everybody. Mahal ko kayo guys. Thank you. Nagloko yung live goals ko. Ano nangyari? Ayan. Makikita ko na. Wait lang. Mag-thank you tayo sa ating mga contributors. Ayan, King. Ay, kayo rin pala yun. King, Ate Divina, Clau, Sammy, Robin, Mon, D, Few, Honey, Summer, Ken, Marco, Rika, Carl. Ayan, thank you everyone. Sa 81 gifters, maraming salamat po. I'll see you guys. Same din. I'll see you guys again on my next live. I hope na maka-join kayo guys. Especially guys sa ating international PK. Please, sana talaga lahat kayo maka-join sa ating international PK on June 15, Saturday, 10 p.m. Philippine time. Sana huwag kayong malate guys. Magla-live ako no ng mga 9 p.m. para 1 hour before our international PK. So, kinakabahan ako pag naisip ko malapit na siya. Pero, alam ko na dyan kayo guys. So, lumalakas yung loob ko. Thank you everyone! Papatulugin ko na kayo guys. So, this will be our last song for tonight. Maraming salamat. Mahal ko kayo. Team Isa! Team Ali Tap 200k taps tayo! Thank you!
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I'd stay up and think of you. And I wish on this job that somewhere you are thinking of me too.
Love you guys, Ate Jovi.
'Cause I'm dreaming,
Ate Kath, Beb, thank you guys.
till tomorrow I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be.
Tol, Abby, Irene,
Here in my room,
love you guys.
dreaming about you and me.
Good night.
Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there.
Thank Divino! Maraming salamat po. Happy holiday, guys. Pahinga. Talaga ba, babe? Pahinga ba tayo? Maraming salamat, Summer! Thank you! Araw ng mga pinalaya, sabi ni Coach Sarah.
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I'd stay up and think of you. And I still can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you too. Now I'm kissing acid with you tonight till tomorrow, and for all of my life. And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room.
Grabe naman, Sammy. Grabe naman, Sammy, ha?
With you tonight, and I'll be holding you tight, dreaming with you tonight.
Thank you, guys! Magsitulog na tayo. Pahinga rin. Maraming salamat, everyone. I'll see you guys on my next live. Guys, pag-pray niyo yung IPK natin, guys. Kinakabahan na talaga ako dun. Thank you, everybody. I love you all. Mwah. Thank you so much. Love, everyone. Thank you, guys. See you. Sa 40 na tayo, guys, para medyo makapahinga naman. Maraming salamat. I love you all. Bye-bye! Love you, guys. Thank you so much sa ating gifters at sa mga tappers, sharers, and everyone. Love you guys. Good night!